The mystery of the snout beetle. Why does its carcass dry without mold? Microscope experiment. Intro section. Suddenly, a small brown insect with a super long nose crawling slowly in a jar of nuts. That's it, the snout beetle, a tiny creature we often take for granted. Today, we'll dissect all the secrets of the snout beetle, from why it has a long nose, why it's a pest, to why its carcass doesn't grow mold even when buried in an airtight plastic bag. Even under the microscope, there are green and brown spots and fine hairs. Ready? Let's get started. Part 1. Getting to know the snout beetle, the long nose. The snout beetle, or scientifically known as the weevil, has a distinctive feature: its long, protruding snout. This snout is scientifically called a rostrum, as seen in the opening video. Why is it called the snout beetle? Well, because its snout is the most striking feature. If you look at other beetles, their heads are ordinary, but this beetle looks like it has a miniature elephant trunk. So why does it have such a long snout? The long snout is both a combat and reproductive tool. The female uses her snout to drill holes into seeds, fruit, or plant stems. Once the hole is made, the female deposits her eggs through her snout directly into the hole. So, the long snout is an adaptation to protect the eggs from predators and the elements. It also ensures that the hatched larvae have immediate access to food. Part 2. Life and being a pest. Where do snout beetles typically live, and are they found? They're everywhere. In the wild, they live inside the seeds of forest trees, in palm trunks, and under bark. But they're most commonly found in food storage areas, rice warehouses, green bean jars, coffee beans, and even in damp kitchen crevices. Are snout beetles pests? The answer is absolutely yes. They're the #1 pest of grains and legumes. Part 3. Why is it super small? Why are snout beetles so small? They measure only 2 to 10 millimeters, with some even being less than 1 millimeter. Why did nature design them so small? First, to fit inside seeds. Their small size allows them to hide in places where predators can't reach them. Second, to conserve resources. Their small bodies require little food. A single mung bean seed can raise 1 larva to adulthood. Third, they reproduce quickly. With their small bodies, their life cycle is short. In warm temperatures, it takes only 4 to 6 weeks to go from egg to adult. Populations can explode in an instant. Part 4. Mystery experiment. Fragment in plastic. Previously, we explained that we took a dead snout beetle. We placed it in a clear, airtight plastic bag, tightly sealed. Then, I left it for a full week. After a week, I opened the plastic bag and dissected the beetle's body. The results were surprising. Why is its body so dry and not moist? To the touch, it's hard and dry. Usually, a freshly dead insect carcass is still slightly moist. Here's the explanation. After death, the beetle's body no longer retains water. The exoskeleton, made of chitin, is somewhat waterproof, but not completely. Inside the airtight plastic, there's no external water source. The air inside the plastic is initially dry. Over the course of a week, the remaining water in the body tissue slowly evaporates into the air inside the plastic. Because the plastic is small, the water continues to evaporate until the body is completely dry. This process is like natural mummification. There's no wet decomposition because decomposing bacteria also need water, so the body becomes dry, hard, and preserved. So why is there no fungus at all? Normally, a moist insect carcass will grow fungus within 3 to 5 days. But here, there's not a single speck of fungus. Why? Fungus needs water, oxygen, and food. The water inside the plastic is gone because the body is dry. Oxygen is still present, but without water, fungus can't grow. Furthermore, the beetle's exoskeleton contains natural antimicrobial compounds like quinones. This is a natural defense while alive, and its effects persist for some time after death. Part 5. Under the microscope. Spot and fluff. Focus on the upper shell called the elytra, hard wings. Brown and green spots are visible. What does that indicate? It is a natural pigment, melanin for brown, and structural color, light refraction for green. The function of these spots is as camouflage to disguise itself among leaves, stems, or seeds. As a warning, the striking green color can signal that this beetle is not tasty to predators. Then, why are there fine hairs on its shell? These hairs are called setae. Their function is as a touch sensor. If a predator or wind touches it, the beetle immediately knows and can play dead or run away. Physical defense. A layer of hairs makes the body surface slippery or uncomfortable for ants or spiders, as detecting humidity and regulating body temperature. Part 6. Conclusion and moral message. Never underestimate a tiny creature, because behind its tiny body, nature holds a wonder that even humans cannot fully replicate. It's not just a pest, but also a teacher, teaching us about adaptation, survival, and microscopic beauty. Subscribe, turn on the bell, and don't forget to like. See you in the next microscope adventure video. Stay curious and keep learning.